My name's Tory Hay, and I'm going to Ferris State University, and I am currently pursuing a degree in welding engineering technology. You're always doing something different every single day. Some days I'm welding, some days I'm taking documentation and entering data. Other days I'm going to meetings with my mentor, and it's just always changing. And I like that because it just gives you a big variety of what different aspects of the company and like what's happening. It's nice to get hands-on experience right away, be a sponge. Like, take as much knowledge as you can from every single person you come in contact with, because you're gonna always learn something. Everyone's so nice, so helpful, and just if you have any questions, they're more than happy to help you. So that's something I've definitely loved here at Janicki.